cross is a good one too. Beto finds it in. That's the best goal of the day by far. And Beto adds to his tally. Started it all and he finishes it off here as well. And Dempo are right back in it. They have a chance now to go for 3 points.
Well, I told you it wasn't over until it's over, and Anthony Pereira has just proved me right. Look at the way he jinks past in a beautifully developed cross. Fantastic delivery there. And Beto, under no pressure, just slots it in. What a fine finish this is. Really top quality. The mark of a prospective champion team, really. We don't see too many goals coming in from the flanks like that. And this is really top draw.